Yes, hello friends. Hello everyone. Yes, hope everyone is doing fine. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Like so far, we have not been uploading long videos, but soon we are going to start uploading long videos. So welcome to our YouTube channel as we take you through how to make butterfly locks. Yes, here we first use kinky, then we apply this other braid. This one is called Softy Kinky. You can use Softy Kinky. You can use Ruby in East Africa. You can use Ruby if you are in East Africa. Yeah, different hairstyles. You can use Passion Twist. Yeah, so we put it over the kinky that we put inside. So we start to roll slowly but slowly. We roll it over and over. Yeah, so that we make it. You don't make it so tight, but you make sure it's tight to that limit that is not too tight. Yeah, so that you don't make it so stiff. Yes, that's how we do it. And then we roll it over. Then we get a little piece, we put it on top of our fingernails. Then we leave it outside. That's the knot we leave outside. Those are the butterfly locks. That's how you can describe it. Yeah, you roll it over again and again, and then you do the same throughout the process. Yeah, so that you come up with a nice looking strand of butterfly locks. And by the way, there are some butterfly locks that come when they are already made, but these ones we just make them on the client's hair. So that's how it is. You roll it around and around, then you put a little piece outside. You leave it outside. You put it on your fingernails, and then you pull the nail out, the finger out. Yeah, you leave that knot outside. Yeah, so that it gives it that vibrant look. It looks distressed, and that's what we call the butterfly knots. Yeah. Yeah, thank you for supporting. Like, in case you're new to the YouTube channel, please subscribe to the channel. Yeah, support us. Yeah, we are just a new channel, just starting. Yeah, you can support that from wherever you are. Yeah, you can hit that subscription button. Yeah, hit that bell so that you don't miss out the new videos that we are going to be uploading each and every weekend. Yeah, we are going to be uploading long videos on our channel. Yeah, thank you for coming through. Yeah, you can check through the videos that we have already posted, the short videos. There's some good work. Yeah, you can like and share to your friends. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you wherever you are watching from. We love you so much. We appreciate your support. Yeah, as we go through this process, please support us, subscribe to the channel. We love you so much. Yeah, this is how it looks like once we are done with it. And remind you, we first make the 3 trees before we start. Here our butterfly is done. Then we apply the mousse. Yes, to make it look so smooth and it shines. Yes, this mousse helps our hair to shine, look shiny. Yeah, we apply it afterwards when we are done with the hair so that it looks shiny. Yeah, hope you love the work, hope you love it. Yeah, thank you so much for coming through. Yeah, this is how it looks like. The linings are very fine. See, the boxes are very fine. The strands are very okay. Hope you love it, because I'm also loving it. That's how it looks when it's done. Yes, customer looks so sweet, so good. Yes, hope you also love it, because I also love it. The customer loves it. Look at the smile. It looks so perfect on her. Yes, hope you also love the hair. Thank you so much. Subscribe, hit that subscription button, hit that bell so that you don't miss out